Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is a little Happy Mail video, kind of. Well, it's an order. Although I went shopping at Hobbycraft, I also decided to do a little online order for things that I couldn't get in the store and what might be in the sale since having been there. So bear with me, I'm just going to cut the box, but if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell and you'll be informed when there's new videos. I do have a few giveaways going on at the moment. One's just finished, but I've still got 3, so check those out. And they're for subscribers, so I'd also do live chats, and I've got quite a lot of tutorials, so if you would, please just check them out. If you like what you see, then subscribe. So, the box is rather large to put in front of the camera, so I'm going to keep it down here. And there's quite a lot of this stuff in there, so it's not all solidly packed, but try not to rustle too much. So, delivery note thing. Right, so, I ordered, oops, one's fallen on the floor, nope, 2's fallen on the floor, the bag is open. I ordered some of these and they're really kind of cute. They're cotton and let me see, I can't really read what it says. Creative cotton, colour coated. It's lovely and soft and I love the colours, and I've got a feeling this is just called browns, although it's got pink in it as well. And lots of kind of salmony colours, but they are nice pale muted tones. But I got, I think it was about 10 balls of it. They're 50 grams, so I thought I'd get quite a few and it'd be enough to actually make something with. It's a very small label, really tiny label, so it's very difficult to see, but I'm just trying to see. 125 meters, so that's not bad. 125 meters, it looks like a tiny little ball, but it's not, so it's obviously quite thin. It's not too bad actually, it's not too thin. I'd say it, I'm sure it said it was DK, so yeah, a few have fallen out because the bag was open when I picked it up, but I got 10 of those. That should keep me busy. And I also ordered 2 more of these, which is the similar to Shawl in a Ball called Shawl We Dance. And I'd already got 2 pink ones and 2 blue ones, but I did one as a giveaway for this one. They only had 1 in the store, so I thought if I bought a couple online, then I've got a couple of those too. But I absolutely love this colour. It's called Brights. And this one shows more of the colours. It's got reds and purples in, but lovely. I really like that. So I've got 2 of those. And this humongous box. Hang on. Another ball of that has fallen out inside. But this is what I was most excited about. I ordered some Symphony wood crochet hooks by Knit Pro. And can you see, I'm going to get them out actually because I don't think you'll see with the packaging, but I kind of liked the look of these. Got a little popper case, but they are really pretty. Look at that, match my Shawl We Dance. I think I've not used wood before, but it is so polished, it's not going to drag. And unlike the ones I had that were acrylic, you can quite clearly see a stamp on there with the size, so that's good. I'll at least be able to see what they are, but I've not ever used them before, so I'm going to do a little review on them. But they are absolutely lovely colours. I'm really looking forward to using them. So over the next couple of days, I'm going away to Gary's for a couple of days. I'm going to be taking these with me and giving them a little road test for you, and I will let you know how I get on with them. But they were quite, I wouldn't say they're really expensive, not when you consider the price of maybe furls or clover and more, they were not too bad considering that there are 5 in there. But yeah, I'm going to be looking forward to using these, and I'll let you know what they're like. Now, it's a massive box, but I suppose I did have a fair bit of balls of yarn in there. Not different ones, but just a lot of this, which I am looking forward to using. It's so soft. It's really lovely. I was very, very impressed with the yarn. No. Groove is in the yarn. The groove is in the yarn. I don't know what that was. Something just made a crack sound, but there was nothing that fell. Well, that's weird. Anyway, I was very impressed with the groove is in the yarn that I ordered from them, and I made that hat that from Crystal made from Bag a Day. I absolutely loved the yarn. I'd never used it before, but I would have got more of that if they had it in stock, but that rainbow one that I used, they didn't have any more of it, sadly. But if you want to see that, you'll see it on my previous video. I did show it on my giveaway video, but it is absolutely lovely. It's to die for. But I've got some of that yarn, just not that colour, but it is lovely to use. Not particularly good to frog though, because it's hairy, so it does snag, but you can actually do it. I managed to frog a whole row because the hat was too big for me. It came kind of too far down, and there's a bit of a roll around my ears, so I just took one row of the clusters out and it became perfect size for me. So, but to frog it back was a bit of a mission, but that was the yarn's fault really. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to using this and letting you know what I think, but more so looking forward to these little beauties. So thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there's new videos and stuff. And please check out my giveaways. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, everyone.